So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and click on enter. Now you want to run this scan. We can run it in the background as you complete the next steps in the video, so you just want to minimize this. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you run this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you're going to scroll down till you find Windows Installer. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the service status on running. If it says stopped, then you're going to click on start, which will then make the service status running, and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And then once you run this, you're going to scroll down till you find Microsoft Visual C++. You want to repeat this for all of the Microsoft Visual C++ that you have. I've only got one, so I need to just do it one time. In your case, if you have more, repeat this for all of them. So you're going to click on the three dots, and then click on modify, and then click on yes. And then once this comes up, you're going to click on repair. You now want to repair all of your Microsoft Visual C++, and then click on close. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator, and then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health, and click on enter again. You now want to run this final scan. This will take a while, but you now want to run this final scan. And then once you complete the scan, you just want to restore your computer, and then this should now fix your problem.